One, this is our next project. This is 1967 C10. Look, it has a mean, dead-ass posture. Look at that. Already has a stroke engine, but this is a 405 Chevy modified engine. It has a lot of power and a lot of torque, but this is not going to be the engine that we're going to use in it. This is going to be another bigger a powerful engine. Already has suspension work on it. It has a lot of metal work. Look at the rain gutters. They need a lot of attention. The floors. We already have a lot of parts, which is metal. It's gonna have tons of work. Look at this roof. It's really damaged, but we're gonna have it fixed. Here are a lot of parts that we're gonna use for it. See the bed, the bed totally, it's a brand new bed. Everything is new on the bed. And we have a lot of parts that we're going to use from everywhere in the cabin. The wheel well, fenders. There we go. Runs beautiful. But when it leaves, it's going to be even beautiful. You will see the process of restoration. Thank you guys. Keep watching our channel. Give us your thoughts. Tell us what you think. Bye-bye.